you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help increase frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary background applications while playing. Programs running in the background can consume system resources, leading to performance issues. Use Task Manager to end tasks that are not needed during gameplay. Step 4. Optimize system performance. Adjust your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting can be found in the control panel under Power Options. It ensures that your system is using maximum resources for gaming. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stability while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.